Hi everyone! In this video, I have a couple of recommendations for you to succeed in our discourse. I want to explain you step by step what they are. First of all, before watching the videos, you should definitely a quick review to the working document that I prepared for you and try to have a prior knowledge about the topic that we are going to see. With this way, you will learn the topics that we are going to learn in our lessons more permanently. And the second one is that, while watching the videos, you should always try to write codes with me. Also, if there is any point that you do not understand, try to solve them yourself first rather than asking them immediately. With this way, you can improve your coding ability more effectively and the information that you have learned will be much more permanent. The third one is that try to quick review to the working document at the end of the video again. If there are still some points that you do not understand, you can ask these questions in the Q&A section or direct message to me at any time. The fourth one is that at the end of the video, try to work and practice yourself. With this way, you will be learning much more permanently. And believe me, when you try this, everything will be different. You will improve your coding ability much faster. I intentionally left some missing parts in the coding assignments at the end of each section. Try to complete them yourself. Also, please don't limit with just these exercises yourself. Try to do everything in your mind with programming. Try to convert ideas on your mind into programs. The fifth one is that you should be careful about not to pass to the next section without doing assignments at the end of each section. And the other one is that try to solve math problems by programming them to improve your algorithmic thinking ability. If you can do this, you will find that your algorithm and programming ability has improved at an incredible rate after a certain period of time, and that will be very useful for you. And be sure to check out the great resources that I added to the lectures to improve your coding ability. Also, you can check the GitHub's repo and what kind of approach do the other programmers have while developing a program. You can look at how these codes are written by other programmers. And as last, when you need help, you can ask any question in the Q&A section and you can discuss with other students on a solution and exchange your ideas. And you can also ask me any questions at any time. I will try to help you as soon as possible. Okay then, let's start our Python journey. This is the end of this lesson. See you in our next lessons.